Curry at Jordan Clarkson nag-uusap. Dalawa. Coach ako. Ayusin nyo ha. Kahit warm up lang yan, box out nyo agad ha.
Guarded by Team Super.
Bang! Good job!
Para mapili na yung championship, i-unbox niya.
Hoy! Kailangan mag-champion boys ha! 1, 2, 3, What's up guys? Another basketball game na naman tayo ngayon. Lifestyle vlog tayo ngayon. Ngayon is a day 1, celebrity game tayo. Against Mr. Longbomb, David Licauco. Second day ganun din. Content creators night daw. Teammate natin dito sila Martney, kamukha ni Jordan Clarkson, Brian Pineda, at saka iba pa. Samahan nyo ako guys, 3x lang naman to. Very good. Kamusta? Wala mo kapatid ko yan. Dahil Pineda ka pala. Hindi, makakaloka like ko daw. Paolo kasama din natin. Kapatid ni Pat 69. Tangkat din nun. Lakas yung maglaro.
Hindi, nakita ko na ito eh. Mga ganitong datingan, alam ko malakas to eh, mga ganyan. Siklihan lang. Minsan yung mga ganong hindi nakaporma, ay malakas eh.
Malakas mang kupal.
Secret weapon. Binigay nyo lang.
Sige ba dyan?
Pamatawag ko na lang kayo.
Sige. Thank you. And guys, ayan, ready na. Uy! Ito yung secret weapon natin dito na.
Sobrang secret nito.
Stephen Curry. Idol ko yan.
Bukas ito lalaro, ngayon ikaw lalaro.
Sige. Ito talaga yung tingin nila. Ito kanina pa kumahan. Ito yung pinaabangan na player ngayon eh.
Nakaraan, galing kami kayo magsayo eh. Ngayon naman, basketball naman.
Ginulpi ni Parin G.
Kailan round 2 natin, boy?
Clarkson, tawagan ni Steph Curry. Steph Curry at Jordan Clarkson nag-uusap. Dalawa. Coach ako. Ayusin nyo ha. Kahit warm up lang yan, box out nyo agad ha.
There's something we can do. 20 on 3. 1, 2, 3,
Don't need the capacity to love and hate, but to take the final step.
Red corn, applesauce, in my lunchbox. In the cypher freezer, the kangaroos. Stay tucked in the stash, walking late to the class. The friends don't know me, so why the teacher mad? I'm
Paano?
good at math, but I'm good at counting cash. It's showtime. Music be killing me. I'm trying to keep it alive, but these lyrics is killing me. Talk about the
Good job. BKB. Lebron Tagalog to. LA Tenorio nandyan din oh. LA Tenorio.
Scout tayo na Elite Tenorio.
Stop. Panalo. Di pa ako naglalaro niyan ha. Pag ako naglaro, ewan ko na lang. Natalo tayo. Interview daw nila ako. Paano daw ako sobrang galing. I'm gonna make experience tonight. But today was very, very exhilarating. See you all there tomorrow.
Maalat talaga.
Let's go! Ang galing! Magaling. Mukhang may challenge tayo ha. Shooter daw talaga yan eh. Malibalita ko, shooter daw talaga. Panoorin natin kung shooter talaga.
Ito na, Mr. Lama.
Ang lupit mo! Game, guys! Ulit!
Magiyang para manggigil bukas.
Baka nyo bukas.
Ay, okay, let it be known.
Let's go. Good luck, boys.
This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Gon' never stop and I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be close to me, and hopefully you understand. G.O.D. make me this cold, and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke. I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me a view.
Pare, pensa, nearest man tayo. Regardless kahit malaki o maliit yung pantan.
May libre kayong 3 points.
Eating my supper, set the table when I'm eating my supper, eating my supper. Let's go. Tip top, tip off the rock steady. Tip top, the game clock, did it really? Go cock the shots off the key block, the trash talk, then the whole room looking at me.
Happy Gentry! Happy Cholo! Win agad!
Good job! Update naman natin ngayon. Wala pa tayong talo, as usual. 2-0 ang ano natin ngayon. Wala pa tayong talo. Sana maging champion, no? Anyway, samahan nyo pa rin kami. Last game naman natin yun, Mr. Longbam naman.
I've been running, keep on gunning, stop the fight on your words. What you hear now, what you heard. I'ma hate every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day on earth till they put me in a dirt. I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first. Until they put me in the dirt. Said I'ma get into it first. Let's go. Tip top, tip off the rock steady. Tip top, give me pop to get ready. Go cock the shots off the key block, the trash talk. And at me when I move the whole. At me when I move the whole room, walk out with me. Vroom vroom, the wheels up to my city. Fighting fast lane, the bang bang, the insane and they insane.
Page speed 250, final bearing is 230.
Look, told them this too easy, got no chance. Thought I told them twice, but I don't think they understand. I might go to France, cause they love me down in Kansas. I can hear him what he's saying, cause he's way up in the stands.
3-0 sila. So, para ma-feel nila yung championship, i-unbox niya, no?
Unbox natin.
Nag-ready na eh.
Hoy!
Pag magka-champion, ha?
Kailangan mag-champion, boys, ha? Mga kalaban namin, ito lang. Galingan lang natin. Play sports, play happy. Naka-ready na rin yung championship namin, eh.
Anyway guys, grabe. 3-0 tayo ngayon. Wala tayong talo. Lahat panalo. Wala akong masabi sa mga players namin. Grabe ang gagaling. Motivated talaga sila. Ito na yung semifinals. Sino man nanalo dito, lalaban bukas naman sa finals. Do or die game. Kasi sana manalo. Para magandang yung uwi namin. Pero manalo matalo, still happy naman. 1, 2, 3, ready!
Finals. See you. Grabe, lakas.
Bukas, ayan, nanalo na tayo dito na semifinals. So tomorrow is the finals. Kakain na tayo ngayon, di ba? Kakain tayo ng masarap.
Manager! Bisa, orderin nyo lahat.
Abangan nyo bukas, is finals na itong game na to. Tapos meron din tayong Influencers Cup bukas. Ako naman yung lalaban din doon. Sabi mga influencers na maglalaro bukas. Sila Price Tag, sila Boss Toyo. Puntahan nyo, abangan nyo. Samahan nyo, guys. Okay lang.
Lalakin nyo eh!